Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the compass mode on your Nixon Regulus Expedition watch. So this is pretty simple, as with most things on this watch. Everything's going to have its own mode on the watch. So right now I'm currently in timekeeping mode. If I want to go to my compass or any other mode, all I have to do is press the mode button, which is the bottom left button. And then once I get into my mode screen, I'm just going to use the down button and I'm going to go down to compass. Again, press mode to select it. And now I am in my compass mode. So this is pretty simple. The top is going to show me the direction that I'm facing in the degrees. So I'm 103, 104 degrees east, southeast. The bottom left will always show you your north indicator. So as I move, you'll see that that will always point to the north, whereas your top is always going to point the direction that you're facing. In the bottom middle, you'll always see your current time. And that's really about it. There's not a whole lot to it. The other thing you can do is if you want to set a bearing, you can do that. By setting a bearing, you're basically going to press the upper right button. That unlocks your bearing. It says right here, set your bearing. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to point to the direction that I want my bearing. And then I'm going to press the bottom right button to lock it. Now my bearing is locked. And now we can see another value on the compass. We can see the current direction that I'm facing, my north indicator, and my bearing indicator. Pretty simple. It's a very easy feature on this watch. It's not overly complicated. One of the things I like about this watch, once you're done with the compass, all you have to do is again press your mode button. The first thing I should say is you can stay in compass mode as long as you want to. It won't kick you back out and take you to time mode. So if you're out hiking or something like that, you never have to worry about having to keep going back into your compass. But once you're done with it, you're just going to press the mode button again, and then you'll just go to a different mode, which usually will be your time mode. And now we've successfully exited the compass mode. As always, I hope the video helps. At least it gives you an idea of how to use the compass on your Nixon Regulus Expedition. Thanks for watching.